Hey everyone, today we're reviewing the Derma Muse Color Changing Foundation, a viral 2025 makeup product that claims to adapt your skin tone, hydrate, and protect all in one. But is it legit or worth it? Let's find out. Derma Muse advertises a white to your shade color changing formula with skincare ingredients like hyaluronic acid, peptides, and SPF protection promising lightweight, breathable coverage and natural finish. It's marketed as K-beauty inspired hybrid foundation stick. On the official site, thousands of reviews rate it highly, with users saying it blends easily, feels hydrating and weightless, and gives you a natural, non-cakey finish. Many reports that it helps even out skin tone and feels comfortable for daily wear. But independent testing and user impression paint a mixed picture. Some reviews note that the coverage is light to medium, and the color changing effect isn't true adaptive tech. It's more like a tint that only approximates your tone. It also fades earlier than advertised on oily areas, and the fragrance can be strong for sensitive skin. Plus, similar products with the same style exist on other marketplaces at much lower prices, suggesting Derma Muse may just be rebranded foundation stick rather than a breakthrough formula. And that's it. If you want a light or everyday makeup with dewy finish and SPF, it's not terrible choice. Many users enjoy it. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.